Hi! In front of me is Fairphone for 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password saved in Google Password Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, click on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!